In this video, I'll show you how to find your Gmail password. So all you need to do is come here on the top right of your browser, click on these three dots, and then you need to just click on password and autofill and come here, click on Google Password Manager. So this will open up the Google Passwords Manager. You will be able to see all the passwords on different websites where you basically signed in and you clicked on the check mark that said save a password, right? You save the password. So if I come and click on this right here, you'll see I see my username, I see the website, which is Gmail, and I see the password. I can go ahead and copy this. You can also toggle this one on and you'll be able to view my password. Okay. And you can go ahead and use that to log in. And if you want to go ahead and change your password, maybe just come here at the top right, click on your profile icon, click on manage your account. It'll open up this new tab. Just go to security right here. If I scroll down, you'll see the password section. Just click on this. And what you need to do is just enter your password to verify it's you. If you don't know the password, you just click on forgot password. Okay. All right, there we go. Just go ahead and press on next right here, and it will redirect me and I'm able to change my password. If not, you can just do forgot your password and use your recovery email or phone number to verify that it's you trying to make that change. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple.